gentlemen, first off, we would like to start off by saying we're really sorry for the delay. There was a technical glitch and we've just able to fix it. The reason being is that we're gonna have 5 bands come up on stage to perform for you guys this evening, competing for the competition. So we've had to get the sound setup rewired completely. Anyways, to start off this evening, first and foremost, I would like to thank the Department of DIPR, Directorate of Information and Public Relations. They have been the pivotal department in pushing Meghalaya Day 2025. And it has been through their endeavor and it has been through their cooperation and help that we've been able to pull off today's event. For those of you all who were not there, we had the celebrations, the Meghalaya Day celebrations happen, the official celebrations happen today in the afternoon, and this is where we will conclude the Meghalaya Day celebrations this evening. Just to let you know, right now on stage we have, or we will conclude, the Battle of the Bands. A little bit about Battle of the Bands. So when we were given this opportunity to work and to promote Meghalaya Day 2025, we had suggested that why don't we do something for the bands? So on that note, we had submitted a proposal and we had asked the department to at least, give us the opportunity to help our artists. Through the various schemes of the government that we've worked with in the past, we have been able to, promote artists through a particular scheme called MGMP. And through that particular scheme, we have realized that, of course, the potential of our artists here in the state is massive. Based on that, we were able to get a sanction of 10 lakh rupees for the grand prize. So we've had the entries of the bands. We tied up with Red FM and we had about 28 entries in a very short span of time. In a span of just 5 days, we were able to register 28 bands. The video entries came into us and a panel of judges selected 20 bands for the auditions, the live auditions that happened here in Jowai. Out of those bands, there were a few bands who couldn't make it to the auditions, but out of the bands that were there at the auditions, we have selected the top 5 bands for you this evening. Now, it is very simple. This goes out to all the bands that are waiting backstage. You will have a maximum of 20 minutes. That is from your walk-in time to the stage till your walk-up time. Whether you do your sound check or not, that is up to you. But your time slot is 20 minutes. And if at all you do exceed your time limit of 20 minutes, every minute you exceed will be a deduction of 1 point from your total score. I'll say that again to the bands backstage. If you exceed your 20 minutes, every minute that you cross over will be a deduction of 1 point from your total score. Next is also we have the criteria for the judging. The judges, of course, let us just welcome our judges initially. First and foremost, Batimi Kharhujan is on the judging panel. A round of applause please for Batimi. Thank you, Batimi, for being there. Then we have Rupert Nonklau. Please a round of applause for Rupert. And we have Cornelius Karsante. So these will be the judges for the finals today. So bands, very simple rule. 20 minutes on stage, and please, since this is a government program, please maintain vocal hygiene. That being said, on stage, first to kick off Battle of the Bands 2025, the Lynx.
Check, 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 check. 1, 2, sound. Check, check. Check, check. Baba, this mic please on. Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 1, 2, sound, check, 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 1, 2, sound, check, 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 check.
Greetings to each and every one, and especially to our respective judges. In the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari, I and I, King Selassie I the First. Same old dingy road I keep on walking. But I know now if I walk alone I could fall in down. 'Cause I know now if I don't have you I crush into the ground. What they told me if I walk alone now I could fall in down, 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 down. That's why we need somebody bind us together. Bind All right, now put your hands together for Michael on the guitar. Now, come on. Alright, so that first song is our original song and it is called Dingy Road. Now this next one is also one of our original and this one is called Change. fun now. All right, so that's it now. Thank you so much. And once again, happy statehood to each and everyone. We are the Links signing off.
Judges, the band, the Links were on time.
Ayo, bathroom singer acting like a rock star. You are still here.
Yo, Grams, chill. Take your pills and let the youth showcase their skills. Well, Meghalaya Day Celebration 2025, we're gonna have Battle of the Band contest with a cash prize of 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs? Why didn't you say that before? Let me clean your room. It's okay, I'll do it.
And yes, guys, if you have what it takes, then participate and register now. Sometimes I feel like Jekyll and Hyde.
Toxic Pony, your time starts now.
Hello, check. 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 A very good evening to everyone present here. Once again, we are Toxic Pony, and first of all, I would like to introduce you to the band. We have Meru on the drums, we have Gaudi on the bass, and we have Jobian and Marty on the guitars, and myself, Byron. So, it's such an honor to be a part of the Battle of the Bands today, on the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, of our lovely state of Meghalaya. So I wish you all have a very good evening ahead. So we have a few songs to play for you right now. So here we go.
Thank you. We are Toxic Pony once again, signing off.
Judges, Toxic Pony was on time. Check. Napamik, your time has started.
Hello, check, 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 check. Hello, check, 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 check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Excuse me. Excuse me. Này mix gì đó mà? A bit flat. Check, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check, check. Ladies and gentlemen, and our respected judges, we are Nepamic from Shillong. We're gonna perform two of our regionals. Are you guys ready for the first song? Okay. Before we start off, a very happy Meghalaya Day to you all. 53 years of Meghalaya statehood. Let's celebrate this together. Our people, our culture, our land. This first song is called Rising Beyond the Horizon. Yeah! Why don't you guys come on the front? Yeah, let's party tonight! And I know the night!
with the best of attention, with everything that nothing to the beautiful sword. Follow my friend, I will take a ringer, I will wait to see us, I will get nasty. And the man for the thing, and it's the beyond to think, the man from the thing, how can we are rising, and the man for the thing, and the beyond to think, the man from the thing, how can we are rising. Never run on the line. We are not on the next. Everything before nothing for life. Never run on the line. We are not on the next. Everything before nothing for life.
Are you guys having fun? How much time do we have, respected judges? Sa kanong po ang itong na
Check. You've got 4 minutes left.
Okay then, this last song is called Domination. Yeah, throw your hands in the air. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Thank you all so much. Once again, we are performing. Thank you so much.
Judges, Napamik was on time. Dixie Boys, your time starts now.
Check. Check, check, 1, 2. Check. Check, 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, check, check, check.
All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, respected judges. We're gonna give you our original songs this evening, and we're gonna take you to a rock and roll roller coaster ride. This first one is called Wackadoodle. Check. This one goes out to all the demons out there with us. Across the river, in fields of the dreams, I see them lie there still, in search of the free. An army of the bees, they buzz around the feed and rob you of your peace to make you do like a wackadoodle do, and make you do like a wackadoodle do, and make you do like a wackadoodle. Like a whacker. From the schools of fools and losers, here to act the fool who can refuse avenues to fact the truth and fact the truth. Best for you is just a pair of shoes for grooming. The madman is the time to make control the man from finger. The rifle, all the government and go beating up. Micah, he's a maniac for all of the brain he has. Information, penny packers, many as the many laughter. He says break the rules and play a fool. It's the circus and the pay is good. Laugh at all who laugh at you. Wear a costume and go whack and doodle do. I do the whack and doodle. I do the whack and doodle whack. Watch out! Jowai! Do you want to know why we want to lose our mind? Now this is why we lose our minds. For we are tired of your wicked desire, cause the only thing you hire. Paradigm designer, building system in the sky. You are no less than the Lord of the Flies. I tell you what, I tell you what. All right. That song is called Wackadoodle from our upcoming album. We've got one more song for you, if the time permits. We've got one more song for you. This song is also from our upcoming album, and this song is called Major Tom. And this song talks about a person who is tired of the world, tired of corruption, tired of all the things that are happening around, and they want to escape this little town. This one is called Major Tom. This one is called Major Tom. Let's do this. How many of you guys are tired of whatever that's happening around? Say, hell yeah! It's quite a lot of you guys. This song is about you and me. This song is about us while we want to escape the reality that pulls us down. This one is called Major Tom. Can I call you in these times of hardship? I've got a rocket ship ready for Mars. Headed out, got no place to go. No one's home, got nowhere to go. A Major Tom stuck on a part upon the stars. A play at the park. Who would have known why we could have blown so far, so far? Who would have known why we could have blown so far, so far? Who would have known why we could have blown so far, 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 so far. I'm Major Tom, I can return, I'm on my own, and there's such a Major Tom, I'm just a, not my own, I'm Major Tom, I'm just my own, I'm not a point, I'm Major Tom, I'm Major. Major Tom upon the stars, stuck on the park, a play at the park. Who would have known why we could have blown so far, 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 so far. Major Tom, I'm just my own, I'm not a point, I'm Major Tom, I can't escape, I need to this proper space. I'm the Tom, I'm not my own, I'm just a point, I'm just a. Major Tom, I'm just my own, I'm not a point, I'm Major Tom, just my own, I'm not a point, I'm just a Major Tom, I'm not a point, I'm just my own, I'm just a. All right, Sonny, let's bring it down now. All right, we're down to the last song. Are you guys ready? How much time do we have? 5 minutes? All right. We're down to the last song. This one is called Dixie Boys. Now, I want you all to say boys when I say Dixie. Are you ready? Dixie! 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 Let's do it. Wanna be a Dixie? Try, better lose your mind. It's the way of the road when you're on this ride. So now, tell me. Jowai, pack, poo. Thank you. We are the Dixie Boys. On the guitar, we have Sonny Bosco. And on the bass, we have Man. And on the drums, we have Sten.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Meghalaya. Thank you, MGMP. Thank you for having us. We are the Dixie Boys signing off. Good night.
Check. Judges, Dixie Boys were on time. Thunder's Cave, your time starts now.
Check. Hello, check.
Check. 1, 2, check.
Check. Check. All right, this is the sound check. Let's do the sound check.
I got guitar, only one guitar.
All right, a very good evening to each and every one of you. We are Thunder's Cave, all the way from Mynthong. We are so happy to be here and to be a part of this Meghalaya Day. I hope you guys ready to have fun with us. We would like to thank our respected judges and all of you who are here tonight. And this evening we have 2 original numbers. And this first song is called Keep the Promise. Are you ready? Come on, let me see those hands up. All right, join along with me. Come on, everybody. So beautiful. Thank you. All right. This next song is the last song. And it also our original numbers. And this is our new song, which we'll be releasing soon. And this song is called The Calling.
Everybody's crying! Go! Face down with the rhythm falling, running high. Let's skip on the pain. Never on beyond. We don't wanna stay. Suddenly the rhythm voices will turn to the place where we belong. Facing the wall, we must be strong. Back to our voices of the calling. Back to the land which we were born. We're searching where you always screaming. Show us the sign with the light from the sky. From behind the wall, you're not allowed. From the darkness to wicked the struggle, searching for someone we know I'll share. We try to reach the sky, but our hands can't make it. 1,000 times we are falling down and down line. We don't wanna live. Suddenly the rhythm voices will turn to the place where we belong. Facing the wall, we
Judges, Thunder's Cave was on time. Symphonic Illusion, your time has started.
low, check, check. Low, 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 check, check, check.
Check, check. Bentar.
Hello, hello.
I flat memang kita.
Hello, check, 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 check. Check. Bass beats, yes. Low, check, check, check. Check, check, check. Little bit more vocal, please. Yeah. Low, check, check. Check, check. Low, check, 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 check. Check, check. Low, check, check. Okay. Low, check, 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 check. Check. Okay, let's do this.
Symphony.
Bounce, bounce, back. Belly washer, curl into body ground. Every ending single time. Back by my slaughter. That's the end of the fight, boss. I'll never see anything out your final door. You've got to make a choice now. I want you. No, that's what's beside you in the light.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Stevenson right here. Final song! The final song! The final song! Thank you! How are you guys doing out there? You guys having a blast? All right. Give it up to Opus Production for making this event happen, and of course to our prestigious judges right there. It's a special day. We're here to celebrate Meghalaya Day, right? Okay, on that note, Symphonic Illusions want to express ourselves through this next song. Whatever you go through, any downfall, any problems in life, we want you to know that there's always a second chance in life. Have faith. Because this song, my friends, is called Hope. Just the old generation.
face and understanding. Life is not in it, it's just a new journey, a new journey. A face and understanding. I go something which I go I care for you. That will never fade. As you fight for your presence, you must fight for your life. Fight for all the things that ever proved they right. And with these words I say, I'll seize all of my moment, hoping that I call out when I sound so mystical. Appreciate you guys for coming out. Thank you everyone. Thank you Jowai. We are Symphonic Illusions signing off. Kubleishibud.
Judges, Symphonic Illusion was on time.
Hello, check. All right, friends, ladies and gentlemen, after the Battle of the Bands, as the judges are tabulating the marks, we will have for you now a special dance item from a very talented young, young people from Jowai, from the Dance Academy. We will also have a fashion show. Okay, I beg your pardon, it's from Shillong, the Dance Academy. They'll be rendering the dance here, a beautiful one. And of course, we'll have a fashion show, a round of fashion show from a very talented young boys and girls. And of course, we'll have the Ribor MB ensemble. And yeah, you guys sit tight, relax, and enjoy the show, and not to miss any opportunity. So we'll have the Dance Academy. After that, we'll have the fashion show, and of course the Ribor MB ensemble on stage. And not to forget, you stay put for the results of the Battle of the Bands. We are celebrating Meghalaya Day, the 53rd anniversary here in Jowai. It's a beautiful evening. Thank you so much for being with us. And of course, on stage, we have for you the Dance Academy of these young, talented, beautiful souls from Shillong. Can we have them on stage? A round of applause. Long name banya thapti ya kini ki kna samla ki hebret ki baran ka sap ka pong ban shat te kom ka jing ai man sem ngi ko pipin thapti but ngi khot yi ki man ta stage ban ai ka jing shat ka jonki. Yeah, I lang say kajing top kti yaki.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes. And though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found lost hope that I won't fly. And I sing along, then I sing along. I got all I need when I got you and I look around me, see sweet life. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Kickstart my heart when you shine it in my eyes. Can't lie, it's a sweet life. Stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're my flashlight, getting me through the night. You're my flashlight, you're my flashlight, light, light. You're my flashlight, light, light, yeah, yeah. You're my flashlight. Hit me. Toffee, coffee, hate me. Some of them men think they freak this like we do, but no, they
For me, Jack Bata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from back pass. Which kind of money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. Ajay. Can never take my cake away. sweet like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my tap in no wrong. But we they rush quite well, it be much. Now gotta make my tap in the rush. The kind of money we touch, yeah. We they rush quite well, it be much. No be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling with us. There's no darling.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Drag queens, take your mark. The dance floor is now open.
It's whatever you like. Turn this appetite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me at
Just meet me at Just meet me
All right, give it up for these talented young friends from Shillong Dance Academy. Give it up for them one more time. Are you ready for some fashion show this evening, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah! All right. Well, next up, it's a fashion show. It's not just a fashion show, but it's everything beneath. What you see, well, it's Jessie's aim under red flame. Jessie Design is a renowned fashion designer known for her innovative and impactful creations. Her work seamlessly blends traditional and modern aesthetics with a strong focus on sustainable fashion. Drawing inspiration from the people of Meghalaya, she creates unique designs that celebrate culture and creativity. As a proud participant in this prestigious program, Jessie aims to showcase her latest collection, which embodies the spirit of Meghalaya. Each piece is meticulously crafted to tell a story, connecting with the audience through both creativity and functionality. Jessie is thrilled to be part of this incredible platform where talent, diversity, and innovation come together. It's an honor for her to represent her vision and contribute to the ever-evolving world of fashion. This is Jessie's aim under red flame, presenting you this beautiful fashion show, ladies and gentlemen.
Hakashaka kaman ukun kasi kara Can we shalim bom Batanda rukam babu ulang shubah Bikitan rai ni dadesam Saudang saukan ibu balang syatu kasi Ketishin rang is not bilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Jepang ba basta iman cendang Halarkan jiri kat lain kenang Sate-sate la darasan ki pinki saat ki pang Pasta pai lagi dan search kor kisang Saudang saukun ibu balang syatu kasih Kata cendang is not hilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Shalom pergi nak kelam jeng salia Shalom syat wat kentai kersi Kejatung jeliat yumat Hani wa mai ki ibu mat Saudang saudang ibu balang syat ukasi Ketai syenrang is not bilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Kurang akor ni dah adekar Kira kaar berkisah mesti lakon kiskin Lekar lenti kita pawar Saudang saukun ibu balang syat ukasi Kata syenrang is not hilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Syatu kasih Ganti syenrang is not hilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Manila distor lari di bangin yang hok hala kapang Shalom bom Batanda rukam babu ulang shubah Bikitan rai ni dadesam Saudang saudang ibu balang syatu kasih Kata syenrang is not bilang Badi rukam manek la distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang ฉันรักฮัลโหลกันจรีริกับไล่ขนามสัตย์สัตย์ตีลาเดราสัมกิเป็นกีสัตย์กิพองปัสกับไปลากิดังโซชกอร์กิซองสาวดอกสาวคนมีผู้บาลงชาตูคาซีกันที่ฉันรังยังสนอกที่หลังBadi rukam manela distor lari ti bangin yang hok hala kapang Tak singka bom pada muri kan syaki dasawa Shalip pergi no klam jin salia Shan rakshat wat kan thai kersi kejatan jeliap yuman Hani wo mai ki ipo mat Sau đằng sau con đi bộ và lòng sát u kasi Cái tay chân răng như sao thì lăng Bà đi ru cầm bà nè là distor lari ti bà nhìn nhanh học hà là gặp hàng Người ta ri sa như đã cần hay purana good but sen Puram akor ni dah ada Kira kaar berkesan mesti lakum kiskin Lekar lenti kita hawa Saudara saukun ibu balong syatu kasi Kata syenrang ni snok tilang Badi rukam manek la dustur lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Sau đông sau quân ibu balong syatu kasi Ganti syenrang yang snok tilang Badi rukam manek la dustur lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Badi rukam manek la dustur lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang Badi rukam manela distor lari Di bangin yang hok hala kapang
All right, give it up for these beautiful girls, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. One more time, give it up for these beautiful girls and the beautiful attire, ladies and gentlemen. Jessie's aim under red flame. That was a beautiful fashion show. Thank you to all these beautiful girls and the beautiful attire. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, before we have the results of the band competition, last but not the least, we have Rebor MB Vocal Ensemble on stage. These talented young boys and girls will sing for you and render the beautiful voices. So I request Bala Theodore and the band members to kindly grace the stage. And listener and friends, to remind you once again, after the Rebor MB Vocal Ensemble rendition, we will have the results of the Battle of the Bands celebrating Meghalaya Day 2025, its 53rd anniversary here at Jowai. Parlok ngi ko apan ai men se mi gini ki samla jungi jonga jela jungi burun ka sap ka phong ban roi ban tem but kini ki samla jungi ki don hangni ban ai fi ki jingrai ki sotanat jonga jela jonga ri ka jongi ban rakhi ya ka sngi laitlo jonga jela Meghalaya. Ribor MB Vocal Ensemble is being headed by Balasiudor Rentetiang. And of course, the songs that they are going to perform was part of the Republic Day celebrations 2024 in Delhi as part of the Tableau Parade in New Delhi. They have always been part of Ribor MB production, and this evening they will render these beautiful songs for you this evening. And of course, this vocal ensemble is curated and arranged by Balasiudor Rentetiang. And to remind you once again, please stay put, because last but not the least, the concluding item of the program is that we will have the results of the band competition, or the Battle of the Bands, celebrating Meghalaya Day 2025 here at Jowai. Nilajan poi arta chabakut jongkaniga program kaba sotanat hangnia Jowai parok bide shwaba finyelet toda ya snap shoy ga results ka bangidon nam tajungpi jongka Battle of the Bands ka balalong nadu sinsat jan but hadu mene bantip ya kinong job ki jongi jong uarajar arpausan. Kaniga jingruai ke bakin ruai ngila ruai badla pentem ha ka Republic Day Parade ke belalong ha Delhi house nam Arajar Arfusau ha ka Tablu jong ke jila Meghalaya. Yesha sa Shipang parlok sa Shipang inyo kani ka jingruai ke ba kini ki kun samla jungi buran ka sap kin sapun singo hanga pi kamtam man ka singi ka janwit ki bangi rakhi ka jingle lot jong ka jingyo ya ka jila Meghalaya house name ka bari ka san pulai house name Arjar and Arfosan but heading atang in si osngo ya ki results ha bangin IAP ya ki bands ki balai compete Manubon meningkong baar berbalai.
เจอทัน
Meghalaya akari ki jingsan ngin pen sapriang ki khana puriskam Meghalaya akari chong kilo shapang chong ka shapatay ngin pen de one not to one cho one not to one cho ya jing ityang ka may mariang Meghalaya onga adok damsa itoa aramuno thang sekil gil abrio riwa gilo riwa maya wachong perdi hey perkai wakerku sendong ublay Meghalaya akari ki jingsan ngin pen sapriang ki khana puriskam Meghalaya akari chong kilo shapang chong ka shapatay ngin pen de one not to one cho ya jing ityang ka may mariang one not to one cho ya jing ityang ka may mariang
Hello, check. Thank you so much, Balasiudor and the team, as part of the River MV Ensemble. Ni kwai pi pin aging thap ti ki ki samla jingi baran ka sap ka phong jong ka jila jingi ni sngongo hadu kata kata kada bu blai ukur khui ka jila ka jingi ki nong put ki nong tem ki nong rwai ki baran ka sap ka ba janai ka ba penkiu ya ka jila ka jingi nagapor shagapor ni kwa man pen kan ma pi polo stang kamba san minute di ngin pen sound IP ya ka result jong ka jinga kop Battle of the Bands, Kabalong Mantausnem Hapo, District Auditorium, Jowai. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Rebor MB Ensemble with Bala Theodore curating that particular music. Thank you so much for the team. And of course, please stay put with us. Be patient for another 5 minutes. We're going to come with the results for the Battle of the Bands, celebrating Meghalaya Day 2025. Its 53rd anniversary here at the District Auditorium here in Jowai. Hello, check. For the prize distribution of different categories for the futsal and the band competition, I request these personnel from the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Ba Trang, Ba Alaric, and Ba Paila of the DIPR to kindly grace the stage to present these awards and to give the awards for the different categories of the futsal. I'd request Ba Trang, Ba Alaric, Ba Paila of the Department of DIPR to kindly grace the stage to give away these prizes. Akarpa di Ba Trang jong ka DIPR, iba Alaric jong ka DIPR, ba di Ba Paila jong ka DIPR, bagi soba ban kewa stage, papin ilam ya ki prize, belabo menta ka janmit, naga menta ka jela kai futsal. Tiki Bajop, Yaga Futsal, Kadiga Sindem Football Club, Nikarpa, the people on the stage, Banshim, Ganiga Busket, Kajompi, Haganiga Janmit. Kasindem Football Club, Asuba Pinona Po stage, Banshim, Yaka Busket, Kajompi. Mantapat ngindon saki individual prizes jongki Battle of the Bands, individual prizes for Battle of the Bands. For the Battle of the Bands, the best drama goes to, any guesses? Well, it goes to the drama of Toxic Pony. I request the drama of Toxic Pony to come on stage and receive your prize. The best drama kadi jongka band Toxic Pony. Kerpa di people pin on the stage. Banshim ya ka buskit ka jong pi.
This is
Okay, the next category for the best bassist. Any guesses? Ong Biang. Okay, the best bassist for the Battle of the Bands 2025 Meghalaya Day. It's from the band The Lings. Yeah. Can we have him on stage, please? Kapadi bassist jong ka band Lings bin watch stage ban shim ya ka busket ka jongi. Sabah ay kajing top ti ya I bassist jong ka band Lings.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uma ni uba nang bha uma. Uma banang bha mantan kat bau nang wan sedong mengkubli kti ay nga kwai sikentin kti mantan. Thank you so much, Pak. Thank you so much.
Karpari ba Sirenja, Public Relations Officer jungga DIPR bin soba ban kiwa ni karensan ban ailam mi ki prizes na kamta ki badang sa hangne iba Sirenja ibri Public Relations Officer bin wan ni jrong. And next up is for the best vocalist. Any guesses? Okay, don't give on nong stun, don't become on nong stun. So the best vocalist goes to the band member of Thunder's Cave. I request the vocalist of Thunder's Cave to come on stage and receive your award. Kerpa people on the stage, ki koi pi baro banai ka jing thap ti ya I vocalist jong ka Thunder's Cave. Okay, next up, the next award goes to the best keyboardist player, the keyboard player. Any guesses for the keyboard player? Yeah, you had it right. It goes again to the band member, the keyboard player of Lings. All right, where are you? Come here and get your award. All right, I jing top ti keyboard, patem keyboard jongling idi kena ibadang ngatrai kharar khalai snem kalawai jui kadon hakamat kaba jrong kaba pernai kalong kajing ai mensim ye I ni doi bo blei un kurkukur doi inang la asusuk bantem namta ka ban namta ka jela ban namta ka burom jong ka ying ka sem. Okay, thank you. To inya tu ka kerteng ka joi.
Shemia ethel powa. Shemia ethel powa.
Shemia ethel powa. Ethel. Okay, long manai tap jing tap ti ya Shemiel. Okay, next up the best guitarist. Any guesses? The best guitarist in the Battle of the Bands. Laban guess tarai. Laban guess mano. The best guitarist goes to the band Symphonic Illusions.
The signs to come, they all reveal that the king will
Sebagai kejing thapti ya guitarist Jong ka band Symphonic Illusions.
Many kings have come and gone. Still life will carry on.
Kulesibon iba si Rinja Jong katana DIPR. Bantang ipoi siya kabanta ka ba kongsan Jong kejing ay kutsnam buskit yagnigi bands kibla shimanta tingi kerpa iba SL Maulong iba di Public Relations Officer Directorate of Information and Public Relations ba inwan hapo arinsan ban ailem yagnigi buskit ya kini ki nongjob ha ka Battle of the Bands Arajar Arpausan. Tinggal IT ba Andres ban pendep ika Rukom ban ai ban pentip ipi banu bajob ha kini Battle of the Bands Arajar Arpausan.
Sa sisir ngi ay kublay ya baro kiblay wan ha kani ka program ha ipor ibala lengkot ba ngilaila ban penya ja kani ka program te ka bakungsan ay kani ka por kolong bangin aingo ya ki departments ki prepare ki belai rap ingi ban penya ya kani sekman te ka banungkong te sumpa ya tap kti na ka benta ka DIPR Directorate of Information and Public Relations, please. Thank you so much. Idon Sir Maulong but kidon I director jong ka department ki bela hemen sim ha ki bela aila jingi ban penya kani program ki belaya sukru ban ai ka khusnam hadu sipolak ya kani ka Battle of Bands ka kenja khusnam ka ba let's say la slam ha mantam judan show te. Thank you so much Ba Maulong to you and to your department. So I hand it over again to Ba Adelbert to announce the winners.
Okay, for the second runners-up, any guesses? Second runners-up, Kamut Bawan Balai. By your 1.5 lakh prize money, it goes to Thunder's Cave. Band members of Thunder's Cave, Subawan Shanisharan San, Banshim Yaganigajing Ai, Buskit Kajongfi. Sashisien Kajing Tapti ya ki Kunhon Thunder's Cave ki Belawan, Ban Pensngowangi ya Kajing Roy Kajing Tem Kasap Kapong Kajongti. All right, for the first runners-up, any guesses? They will receive 2.5 lakh rupees. Any guesses? Mano banyo ataray ya ka first runners-up lani ka jaka ka baar. Tinganam pen slam hi kadiga band Toxic Pony. Band members of Toxic Pony Subawancha stage. Ban shimmy ka buskit ka jongpi. Sa shisen kajing thapti ya kini ginong tem ki badon ka sap ka phong jong ka chila ka jongi. All right, for the first prize of 5 lakh rupees. Any guesses? Dan try belaban guess. Sashi Sen, mana try banyo? Any guesses? So, banam pen slam ga por kibadi ban hok ban yo ya kani ga jingjob kombala bishar de ki nong bishar kani ga janmit kidai ki dik si. Boleh Shibon sir, boleh Shibon. Thank you sir. Boleh Shibon. Perlu ngilapoi sebakut ngi skok ban pen kan mau pi ba ngi sotna di jing sebentar ka jong pi hagan ni ka program Statehood Day ka jongi ba ka basan pholai te shobangin pen kut banong boleh Shibon ba thia sok kini gi try jong kini gi kali gi badon sungoba ba pen weng na kani ka plau mar kiwit Kanika kali ke nombor kedai ML04C 6707. Nganong biang kitrai kali jongka kali ML04C 6707 bapin sobha ban penweng ka kali ke jongpi namar kawit so kala jendai artat ka por bang nyami na kanika plau bat sakawai ka kali ka ba wit namar don ki ba ko aban mi Kakali number udah ML05AC 2786 nganombeng ML05AC 2786 ML05AC 2786 but kitrai kali jongka ML04C 6707 ML04C 6707 kinsobhaban penkenrea eka kali ke jongki te sashizin kuble shibon tia sok let sok shalayeng ngin sai shampat how to use ban celebrate lani ban rakhi ya kajing rakhi ka Meghalaya ar hajar ar 400 kuble shibon tiasok